Social media destroyed human attention. The average person now struggles to sit alone without touching their phone for even half a minute. And honestly, that should scare you. If you want to understand what social media is secretly doing to human attention, keep watching and wait for the last part because that explains why motivation is collapsing. And if this already feels relatable, don't forget to like, share, and comment. Modern apps are designed to constantly stimulate your brain. Every swipe gives novelty, distraction, emotional stimulation, or dopamine. Your brain slowly becomes addicted to constant stimulation, and slowly your brain loses tolerance for silence. Studying feels boring, deep work feels painful, even conversations start feeling slow. Many people think they have lost discipline, but honestly, their nervous system becomes addicted to stimulation. This is why so many people feel mentally restless, emotionally distracted, and constantly exhausted. And the scariest part, the companies controlling your attention. They profit when you cannot focus. Because distracted people scroll more. Your attention is their business model. And if social media damaged human attention, wait till you see what is it doing to human relationships. That's the next video.